Hello! Today we have the Basis, or Base US, Energy Pump Mega Series Dual Cylinder Wireless Inflator. They could have came up with a better model name. It is, in essence, a dual cylinder battery powered tire inflator slash portable pump. It can work via PSI or bars or any of the other two weird measurements that I've never heard of. The basics of this is that it can go up to 65 psi all the way down to 3 psi, and you can set it digitally and hit OK, and it'll fill the tire up to whatever you set it and then just stop. That is the main feature that I got this for. It is also battery powered, so you don't have to run a cable to your cigarette lighter to fill up your car tire, which is great. That is another great feature. Comes with a little baggy pouch and some accessories. It has 4 inflation modes, one for car tires, one for motorcycles and electric motorcycle tires, one for bicycle tires, and one for balls, basketballs, volleyballs, etc. It charges via USB-C, which is great. It claims to have a 100-day crazy long battery life, whatever that means, but it's got some decent battery life, that's for sure. The 4 bars on top of the screen are the actual battery life of the unit, and then you can use the mode button to select between the different tire inflation modes. Your left button is basically just the LED light. It has a few different modes. If you hold it in, it'll just turn on solid, and then your up and down are basically your PSI adjustment, 65 to 3. Like I said before, it is a pretty nice pump. You press the OK button to turn it on and off. You hold the OK button to actually power it on and power it off. Dual cylinder means that it'll pump up your tires faster. That's a great feature. And it probably won't fail as quickly as some of the other ones that are just single cylinder. I don't know how many tires I could fill up with it currently on one charge, but it does have a 6,000 milliamp battery. So I imagine I'm going to be able to get, 2 to 4 tires on a charge depending on the size. In my experience, Basis makes some pretty quality electronics. I would even go to say it feels premium. The rubber, the plastic, it all feels durable. USB-C port feels solid. I spent $39.99 on it on AliExpress on sale. It usually goes for around $50 to $55. This is the Basis tire pump, dual cylinder, and it is an excellent value.